What's your last name, John?
Idapollo.
Idapollo?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's okay. You just say John.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Hello, my name is Gabrielle McKenna, and I just attended John's, I don't even know if you can call it pain and stress relief. It's more a meditation, a guided meditation that really allows you to come into tune with some of the conflicts that you're having inside your brain, inside your body. And if you're open to the experience, you sometimes don't realize that there's a lot of things that are going on in your mind and your body that are holding you back from being your most awesome, powerful person. And through John's guided meditation, some of his techniques and personalized touches really get you through that door and get you into a place of peace, calm, and tranquility. After the past 3 hours, I can honestly say I'm feeling more at ease. I'm actually got a little bit more clarity. And it's opened a few more channels of thoughts that I'm toying with right now. And I do recommend spending some time with John to open some channels that maybe you're blind to. Thank you for the experience.